guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and I'm super excited you're here today because we are celebrating my 10,000 subscriber milestone here on YouTube. So I'm so happy you could join us today. We have 10 creators on this hop and 10 sponsors. We have over $400 in prizes, 11 possible winners, plus a bonus prize. Hop with us and follow the rules for a chance to win some fabulous prizes from our generous sponsors. I'm going to have the sponsors up on the screen for you. Please show our sponsors some love. They made this giveaway possible. You can follow their Instagram page, give them a like on their Facebook account. I'll have their links to all their shops in the description box. Show them some love and support. So how to enter this giveaway? Be a subscriber of the Not Too Shabby channel. Number 2, each creator will be representing one of the sponsors in their work. So leave a comment on each video for a chance for you to win that prize. The more videos you comment on, the more chances of winning a prize. Number 3, bonus prize. If you watch and comment on all videos, you can unlock extra entries to win a Not Too Shabby $50 gift certificate by clicking on the Rafflecopter link. There you can unlock more entries to win that bonus prize. So I'll have the hop lineup in the description box. The next person on the hop is Carrie Rhodes, and she'll be creating with Lawn Fawn products. So I thought it would be really fun for all of us to pick one of the sponsors and create something with their products. You can also find all the videos by clicking the hashtag N2S10K celebration. This giveaway will end on March 6th, and the winners will be announced on the Not Too Shabby YouTube channel on March 8th. So for my video today, I'll be using Not Too Shabby products, and I'm going to be using our really super cute stamp called Spring is in the Air, and these images are so adorable. Perfect for your spring cards, and we're going to create a slimline card today. We'll put the rest of this card together. I'm going to be using our Dots for Spring paper pad. We'll do a little paper piecing. This card will turn out really, really cute. So I took my 8.5 by 11 sheet of cardstock and I scored it at 3.5 and then trimmed it down to 7. So this is going to be the perfect size for this Cat Scrappiness tri-frame die. So that's going to give me a nice little frame. And then on the inside, I used the MFT die to cut these little squares out. So we're going to create a little scene in each square. I have my images stamped out. We're going to do a little Copic coloring, but we're not going to color the umbrellas because we're going to do some paper piecing. I'm going to use some warm grays for my bunny, W5, W3, W1, and W0, and I'll use a little R20 for the ears and the nose. Did I mention how amazing this lineup is? So up next, you're going to see a project from Carrie Rhodes using Lawn Fawn products. Then we got Crafty Mama Diaries working with the Greeting Farm products. Up next, we got Cassie Trask using Miss Ink products. Then Maria Russell working with CC Designs. Got Teresa Russell using MFT products. Crazy Paper Chick using Honeybee Stamps. Call Me Crafty Al using Cat Scrappiness. Jackie's Craft Table using Pink and Main. And Lisa Mears using Trinity Stamps. So just amazing. So I cannot wait to watch this hop. So I'm almost finished with the coloring here. You can color up these images with any medium that you have. The images are nice and big, so they're easy to color. And I really like paper piecing umbrellas. I think it's really fun to use different pattern papers. Okay, so for the Dots for Spring, I'm just going to pick out some colors here and make their little umbrellas really cute. So on one side we have larger polka dots and on the other we have smaller. So I'm going to take these 3 colors. I'm just going to stamp on each color. Now you want to take your scissors and fussy cut out each of the little umbrella sections. Now if you wanted to just have it all in one color, just fussy cut around and then glue that onto your image. I will be going around my image with a Memento dual marker. This will hide any of the white core showing on my image. So now I'm going to add glue to my image and we'll glue down each section. I'm going to start with the middle. Now, doesn't that look cute? I have my 3 little inserts in a splatter box, and I'm going to use some Lindy Stamp Gang sprays in different blues and just squirt on some of this for my background. Okay, I'm just going to let that dry and we'll see how it looks. Before I lay out all my images, I'm going to stamp this little hello right here. Okay, so this is how the card turned out. I just love it. I love the little splashes in the background. It looks like rain or water splashing around, and then the eggs and the carrots falling down like it's raining eggs and carrots. So it's just a fun spring scene, and then the word hello, so it's good for any occasion. And I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Don't forget to hop on over to the next person in line, and a big shout out to all our sponsors. Thank you so much for making this hop possible. So please come back to the YouTube channel to find out who all the winners are. That will be announced on the YouTube channel. If you ring that bell for notifications, you'll get notified when I upload a video. So take care, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the hop. Bye guys!